everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to be learning how to make shakshuka, which is a tomato-based dish with onions, garlic, bell peppers, and poached eggs on top. So it's really tasty. Now, where do you believe it came from? That's a great question. So there are a few ideas. Some believe Yemen, others believe the Ottoman Empire, but today it is widely believed that it comes from Tunisia, which is in northern Africa. Now, a lot of other Eastern Mediterranean countries have also brought it into their cuisine just because it's so tasty and versatile. So you have the Greeks, you have Israelis, because Tunisian Jews live in Israel, and so they have brought that in, and Israelis love it. They eat it for breakfast and even for dinner at times too. But this dish is so tasty, and I'm so excited to show you how to make it. So let's get started.